Three questions you should ask yourself. When you are preparing for your sales presentation, there are so many things that you have to take care of, from making slides to rehearsing your pitch. But in order to deliver an awesome presentation, let me share with you a shortcut. This is going to be very simple for you. Just ask yourself these three questions and then find out the answer. Question 1. What actions you want the prospect to perform? Before you even start drafting your sales presentation, you should be crystal clear what exactly you want the prospect to do. Ask yourself, do you want the prospect to sign on the dotted line? Do you want them to commit on a long-term contract? Do you want the prospect to use your trial version? Whatever may be the action you want the prospect to do, but you should know about it. Thereafter, you have to create a sales presentation that will help you achieve it. Many times I have seen presentations singing praises about how awesome your company is. This is wrong. Talk about the prospect only. At the end of the presentation, your prospect should be clear about what is expected from them. Question 2. What information you want to give to the prospect? There are two types of information. One which is valuable to the prospect and the one which is not. The problem is that most salesmen are unable to identify the difference between the two. The reason is that salesmen perceive value which they think is valuable and not which is valuable to the prospect. For example, the best benefit of your product is high-end quality, but it may be that easier implementation of the product is more valuable to the prospect. You should be crystal clear about what information you want to provide to your customer. In the above example, you should concentrate more on the faster implementation in your sales presentation. Question 3. What feelings you want to evoke in your prospect? The answer to this question is simple. You want to make the prospect feel excited about your service offering. But the issue is that our approach is mostly at the extreme ends of the spectrum. Either we are aggressive enough to convey the sales presentation which makes the prospect annoyed, or we are bending our back so much to please the prospect that we are perceived as desperate. Therefore, you must decide what tones you have to maintain throughout your sales presentation to evoke the right feelings in the prospect's mind. If you answer these three questions honestly, you will be able to make an awesome sales presentation. In order to capture the attention of your prospect, you must follow these three golden rules. Rule 1. You should be able to clearly put forward your points. Rule 2. You should be able to present quantifiable support arguments to substantiate your points. Rule 3. You should always sum up your points at the end of the discussion. A sales presentation should always be well researched, containing objective arguments presented with assertiveness. You must use both verbal and non-verbal cues to convey your message. And most importantly, you must concentrate on what you want the prospect to do, know, and feel.